Hey everyone, this video is going to give you a little quick overview of the website called Flipgrid. It's really cool. What it is a website that allows you to give assignments to students where they will do video responses. So let's get started. We're going to go to educator login. I believe that this is free for educators. I always log in with Google when that's possible. And I've already logged in once, actually several times. If you have not logged in, you'll probably have to give some permissions and things like that. So this is what it looks like when you log in. I actually have already created a topic. And I attempted to make an assignment. So let's go back here. Let's go back to home. If we go new grid, we can choose like how we want our grid to be accessed. So do they need to be on our list already? Can they be public? Should they be within the school domain? I'm going to choose school domain. Let's do teacher reflection is the name. Actually, okay, and then it will give them a specific code if they want to get to our grid, and then we are going to personalize it. I think that this looks like us, so we're going to go there. All right. And then I need to enter my domain. Don't need the @ sign. Okay. So now my grid is set up. So this is where we're going to add any topics that we want to assign to students. Okay, so this is our grid. When we want to give an assignment, we're going to hit new topic, I believe. Right here, we do have some different grid options. If we want to add another teacher to work on this with us, we can do add co-pilots. For now, we are going to set up a video assignment. So I just hit add topic. I'm actually prepping for a PD right now where we're going to be learning some technology stuff and I want teachers to reflect. So I'm going to entitle this technology reflection. I can choose how long I want them to be able to respond. So I'm going to set this one. Actually, I'm going to set this longer because teachers are going to be respectful. I might want to give them a topic tip to help them if they need help getting the answers. And then I can also choose when I want this to be released. In this box right here, I'm going to give a description. I can choose how private I want them to be. So I actually think that usually I will want mine to be moderated first because I don't want students to just be like giving them to each other. I can choose a launch and freeze. So if I want it to like close the window, I can do that. I can choose what I want to allow my students to do. I can also add emojis on the Flipgrid itself while maybe I'm adding a video. I can record a video right here if I want to give video directions. I can add attachments here. I can enable these video features, which is something that a lot of students really like. And then I can also choose my feedback. Okay, so that is how I will set up that topic. So for now, I'm going to launch this topic before I might go back and edit it, but I'm going to launch it by hitting create topic. I have to give a description. So let me pause this and I'm going to write a description. Okay, I typed in a description. This is where you would type your question in if you were not going to record a video. And then we are going to go ahead and hopefully it will work now and create the topic. Okay, so now if we want students to get directly to the topic, it has generated this code for us. If I want them to be like in my classroom community, so then I would be going right here. I think, yes. So anyway, it depends on what I want students to be doing. Yeah, so the Flipgrid is like the community. And then, so the grid is more of the community. So this would be like per class. And the topic is the specific question. So let's just take a look at what students are going to see if they want to answer the question. It will prompt them to log in. I like that because then I can know for sure like exactly who I'm dealing with, and I'm not going to have students like change their names or whatever. So when they are ready to record their response, they're going to hit the plus sign, and that's where they're going to get to record it. But also right here is where is like the community that will be the collection of all of our different Flipgrids. So one final thing I just want to mention that there is a possibility, I haven't used this feature yet, but I know that there's the possibility of creating a mixtape of some of the different answers that you liked the best or just things that you want to present. So a lot of times what I would probably do is I would use Flipgrid to ask a question, and then I would create a mashup in my mixtape to present the answers that I received. So I think that Flipgrid could be really great if you want to engage students in a classroom discussion that maybe you want to explain a little bit better. This could be a good way to show and tell. So if we're doing like science or math or anything that requires writing and a demonstration, this could be a good way to do it. This is nice because it's a limited amount of time, so students aren't going to be going on and on and on. Yeah, so that is Flipgrid. That's kind of just a brief overview of how you use it.